Okay, let's talk brakes. Something people don't think much about until they really need them. Kevin, does getting your brakes serviced right here really matter?
Well, do you care about safety?
Of course.
Then yes, it matters. See, hundreds of factors are involved in designing the proper brake pad for each car. There's weight, size of rotor, suspension stiffness, the list is huge.
And if I go and buy brakes somewhere else?
Well, they're just trying to conform to as many cars as possible. So if you don't want to compromise safety, buy brakes designed by the manufacturer.
And the only place to get those
Is right here.
Stop by anytime and get your brakes checked for free. Thanks, Kevin.